Every landlord needs to know these important rules and regulations. Navigating the intricate landscape of property management is no small task. Making the important rules and regulations every landlord should know is an indispensable toolkit for success. A solid understanding of these regulations ensures a seamless relationship with tenants. It also safeguards them from unforeseen legal entanglements. However, a lapse in this knowledge or oversight can lead to significant risks, from financial losses to legal disputes. Being informed isn't just about effective property management. It's about ensuring the security and profitability of one's investment in the ever-evolving realm of real estate. Navigating equal opportunities. The Fair Housing Act is a beacon for promoting equal housing opportunities, ensuring no individual is denied a dwelling based on prejudice. Key points to note about the Act include: discrimination defined. It's illegal to refuse housing or set different terms based on race, color, national origin, religion, sex, familial status, or disability. Marketing and advertising. Property owners must avoid language that can be perceived as discriminatory in housing adverts. Tenant screening. Base decisions on reliable tenant metrics like credit scores or references, not personal biases. To remain compliant, landlords should regularly update themselves on the Act's provisions, undertake fair housing training, and apply consistent criteria when evaluating potential customers. The security deposit dance. The realm of security deposits is a delicate balancing act governed by state-specific important rules and regulations every landlord should know. These funds, typically collected at the outset of a lease, serve as a protective measure against potential property damages or unpaid rents. However, deductions from these deposits are not arbitrary. Landlords can deduct for genuine damages beyond regular wear and tear or unpaid fees, but not general property upgrades or routine maintenance. A pivotal component in this dance is transparent communication. They must provide itemized statements for any deductions, ensuring their customers are not left in the dark and trust is maintained in the leasing relationship. Maintenance and repairs. Maintenance and repairs are non-negotiable facets of competent property management. These elements carry significant weight, not solely for the sake of tenant satisfaction but also to fulfill legal obligations. Every landlord is inherently bound by the warranty of habitability, a pivotal mandate that ensures leased accommodations offer both a livable standard and a secure environment. This warranty necessitates swift responsiveness to repair inquiries, often with specific timelines dictated by local regulations. Failure to meet these expectations could potentially lead to a breach of the lease agreement. Similarly, occasions may arise when tenants need to store their personal belongings due to necessary repairs. In such instances, understanding how to prepare your items for storage becomes paramount. This knowledge is a safeguard, working to keep your belongings safe during their time away from their usual setting. Both of these scenarios collectively underscore the vital significance of maintaining items, whether they belong to a rented property or are personal possessions, and ensuring their safety and longevity. The eviction etiquette. While sometimes necessary, evictions are sensitive endeavors that require a delicate approach. Legally, evictions can be initiated on specific grounds such as non-payment of rent, lease violations, or illegal activities within the premises. However, initiating an eviction requires adherence to proper procedures, which typically involve sending formal notices and allowing tenants a grace period to rectify the situation. It's crucial for landlords to avoid taking matters into their own hands with self-help evictions, such as changing locks or turning off utilities without a court order, as these can lead to legal repercussions. Ensuring that the eviction process is both fair and legal is paramount to maintaining professionalism and avoiding unnecessary conflicts. Respectful entry. Balancing landlords' rights with tenants' privacy is a critical aspect of property management, especially when discussing entry into rented spaces. Property owners must provide proper notice for inspections, repairs, or showings, often 24 to 48 hours before entering a leaseholder's unit. However, exceptional situations, like emergencies or suspected abandonment, might permit entry without prior notice. When planning such entries, especially during tenant transitions, it's essential to synchronize with moving schedules. As noted by Big Man's Moving Company, ensuring a hassle-free move starts with clear communication between owners and leaseholders, respecting boundaries and timeframes. This collaboration paves the way for a smooth, respectful moving experience. Rent control and increases. Rent control is a set of laws restricting how much and how often a landlord can increase rent. These laws vary by jurisdiction and often apply only to specific types of housing or neighborhoods. Frequency and amount of increases. Typically, there are guidelines for areas with this control governing the frequency and percentage by which rent can be increased. It usually ranges from annual to biennial adjustments, capped at a certain percentage. Communication is key. For rent changes to be effective, they must give tenants proper written notice, per local laws, ensuring both parties are informed and prepared for the change. Understanding and communicating these limits effectively is essential for maintaining a transparent relationship. Security deposit holding mandates. Every state has specific guidelines detailing how landlords should hold security deposits, with many mandating the use of separate trust accounts. These accounts prevent the commingling of their funds with tenants' deposits, ensuring the latter's money remains untouched and secure. Advantages of trust accounts. Utilizing trust accounts adheres to state requirements. In addition, it builds tenant trust, as their deposits are segregated and protected. Return timelines post-move out. Upon a tenant's move out, landlords typically have a set time frame, dictated by state law, to return the security deposit minus any legitimate deductions. Clear adherence to this timeline further solidifies the trust and professionalism between the homeowner and leaseholder. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding and adhering to the important rules and regulations every landlord should know is paramount for a successful rental venture. Property management is dynamic, so continuous learning and staying updated on laws is essential. Embrace knowledge as your strongest ally in fostering harmonious tenant relationships.